Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the US Bureau of Economic Analysis, the headline PC price index rose 2.5% in June from the previous year. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the number of job openings fell slightly from 8,230,000 in May to 8,184,000 in June. In addition, compensation costs for civilian workers increased 0.9% in the second quarter 2024. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell delivered remarks after the FOMC meeting, quote, "A reduction in a policy rate could be on the table as soon as the next meeting in September." 10-year Treasury yield falls to 4.06% after the FOMC meeting. S&P 500 jumped 1.58% Wednesday after tumbling 1.39% Tuesday. The U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis released personal consumption expenditures data last Friday. Personal income increased 0.2%, lower than market expectations of a 0.4% gain. Personal spending rose 0.3%, in line with expectations. When it comes to the inflation numbers, the headline PC price index rose 0.1% from the previous month and 2.5% year-over-year. The core PC price index, excluding food and energy, increased 0.2% month-over-month and 2.6% on a yearly basis. The Honorable Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, talked about the PC prices, quote, "The second quarter's inflation readings have added to our confidence, and more good data would further strengthen that confidence." The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Tuesday that the number of job openings fell from 8,230,000 in May to 8,184,000 in June. The number of quits also fell from 3.4 million in May to 3.3 million in June. If you look at the 5-year chart, you can find the number of job quits are now lower than the level of the pre-pandemic. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, compensation costs for civilian workers increased 0.9% in the second quarter 2024 after 1.2% increase in the first quarter. Jerome Powell also talked about the employment cost index and jobs openings labor turnover report, quote, "Nominal wage growth has eased over the past year and the jobs to workers gap has narrowed." Overall, a broad set of indicators suggest that conditions in the labor market have returned to about where they stood on the eve of the pandemic. Jerome Powell answered a question about September rate cut during the press conference, quote, "The broad sense of the committee is that the economy is moving closer to the point at which it will be appropriate to reduce our policy rate." A reduction in a policy rate could be on the table as soon as the next meeting in September. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 4.06% on PC prices, JOLTS report, the employment cost index, and Jerome Powell's remarks after July FOMC, because although data showed that the US economy is cooling off. S&P 500 rose 1.58% Wednesday after tumbling 1.39% Tuesday. Dow added 0.24%, tech-heavy Nasdaq jumped 2.64%. This is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.